How to fix Discord live stream black screen. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps, and on apps, now what you should do, just go to uh, you know uh, Discord. When you found Discord, go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last and the important things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.